Yes, us guys, welcome back. We're just sat at a Vienna restaurant here on the front here in beautiful Kastellorizo. And we've both gone for a Greek salad to share. Looks really good. We've also ordered some village sausage and we've also ordered some pastitsio. I'm looking forward to trying it. My mum makes the best pastitsio at home, so let's see how this weighs up against it. How cool is that? Greek salad looks very good, doesn't it, Kit?
Mm-hmm. See fishes down there. Look, there's loads of fish.
Right, let's try this village sausage then. Yamas.
Good.
Very good.
Here's the, how do you say it?
Pastitsio.
Pastitsio. Looks great. There's layers.
Looks just like my mum's, to be fair. I'm looking forward to trying it. So this is Kit's first try of pastitsio. I have it all the time at home, but Kit's never had it, have you?
I don't think I have.
No, I'll get my mum to make it when we get back. It's lovely, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's
Very like.
yeah, very creamy.
Heavy, isn't it?
Creamy, yeah, it's heavy.
It's sort of like lasagna, isn't it?
The concept and the style is quite similar to lasagna, but just better. It's just Greek's take on it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Lovely.
What a Greek scene here. We've got some lovely cats, some taverna music, and a sea turtle. You want some? There we go. He won't snatch. Go put it near his mouth and see if he takes it. That's it. We're both absolutely stuffed. Another lovely meal here on Kastellorizo. A Vienna restaurant's very good. I'd definitely recommend. Vasilis, the manager. It's the owner actually, isn't he? Vasilis, the owner. He's a really nice guy. I'd definitely recommend the pastitsio. It's very good. But we're now just gonna have a wander about, soak up the sun, and have a wander around the streets and look at these beautiful coloured houses. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Right guys, Kalispera, good afternoon.
Γεια σας, τι κάνετε?
Τι κάνει, καλά εσύ?
Καλά,
Πολύ καλά. I've actually managed to meet the mayor today of Kastellorizo and he's invited me into his office. Πώς σε λένε φίλε?
Νίκος Ασβέστης, χάρηκα πολύ.
Χάρηκα πολύ φίλε.
Είσαι
So
καλά.
this is the mayor of Kastellorizo and here's his office. Lovely. Πολύ ωραία φίλε.
Ωραία είναι.
Πώς είναι η ζωή εδώ?
Είναι ήσυχη.
Ήσυχη.
The winter time, it's very easy.
Very easy. Ωραία.
But it's wonderful.
Ναι.
Like paradise.
Έχει καλοκαίρι σήμερα. Ωραία. Πολύ ωραία φίλε. And very beautiful office.
Stay to drink one cool water.
Ναι. Of course. So I'm sat in the mayor of Kastellorizo's office. How cool is that? Ευχαριστώ πολύ φίλε. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. So, από πού είσαι, Kastellorizo?
Kastellorizo.
Ωραία.
Local.
Area local. So how is the main source of income on the island? Is it tourism?
It's the start of the season. Last year, it's coming about 50,000 people from Turkish area with the ferry. It's coming 50,000 tourists.
Oh, 50,000 Turkish tourists.
With a two ferry from Turkey.
Okay.
It's coming many from Australia because looking before the Second World have over 12,000 people. This is people after the Second World is going 18% in Australia, and now in Australia have about 60,000-70,000 people.
Wow.
And every summer it's coming many from Australia. I have many people from Italy after the movie Mediterranean.
I've seen, yeah, it looks very good. I need to see the film. It looks, I've heard very good.
It's better.
Yeah, I've heard the film's very good. I need to see.
I wish the next year I fix, I think many in the island, biologic water for the rabbits, many projects from Europe.
Ναι.
Να τα τελειώσουμε, να τα φτιάξουμε.
So next year finish for?
No, I'm before 3 months I'm start.
That's
The
it.
mayor and I have 5 years.
Oh wow, that's very good. So you got love for 5 years.
I'm sure I want time. I wish after 1-2 years I fix first the programs and I'm start after I think by 1.5-2 years I start the programs.
Maybe one day I'll see you mayor of Greece. Would you like?
I don't have this is dream, but I wish I fixed many things in my island.
Kastellorizo είναι πολύ όμορφη.
No.
You're very lucky to be from here. It's a beautiful place. I would like to live here one day.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, very nice island. And hopefully people will see my YouTube video and more people will come here because not many people not many people know in England about Kastellorizo.
Yes.
No, yeah.
Hello. This is
Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Greek flag. This is
Kastellorizo flag. Oh, we've seen this on the t-shirts.
Rose, Ankara, and they like this. This is the symbol of Kastellorizo.
Yeah, because it's on the t-shirts, isn't it? Ευχαριστώ πολύ, φίλε μου. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. What a nice souvenir. That was a really interesting experience. It was an honour to meet Nicholas, the mayor of Kastellorizo. I'm actually going to meet up with him tomorrow and we're going to do some snorkelling and some oyster fishing, which should be good. And now I'm just going to sit up here. I'm back at Pharos Beach Club. Kit's gone back to the room to get ready, so I'm just going to soak up the last of the rays and I'll see you a bit later. Kaliworo, good afternoon guys. I'm here with my new Aussie bro, Greek Australian, Nicholas. And we're going to hit some diving spots, so we'll do a bit of cliff jumping, so let's get it. Oh, that's refreshing. I didn't even really need my snorkel. Right, I suppose it's good to see what's under the water, isn't it? Πάμε!
Bravo!
It's easy enough to climb up then. Yeah. Things you do for YouTube. We're up. I'm going to take this off, I don't need this. Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely.
It seems pretty high.
Yeah, it does. You've already done it, right?
Yeah, like
Yeah. Yeah, you'll be safe. Sound, bro.
I'll get a run up to
Πάμε, φίλε.
There he is climbing. That's it. Alright, I'll go swim around, eh?
Γεια σας, καλησπέρα. Good evening. Me and Kit are out again tonight, and I must say Kit looks lovely, doesn't she?
Oh, thanks.
And round 2, we're going to make our way back to Paraga Taverna, as they've got the beef liver in today, and I can't wait to try it. You had a nice steak yet?
I have. It's been very relaxing, hasn't it?
Has been very relaxing. I mean, this harbour is absolutely stunning, isn't it? With the just getting like, see the castle, just getting dark. Sorry, should I say? Look at the castle up there, all lit up.
See cash lit up from here.
Yeah, you see the cash turkey lit up. And there's our friend. Yeah, he is. So I actually stood on a sea urchin earlier, and shout out James and Nicholas because they helped me. James went and got a first aid kit from his place he's staying, and we tweezed it out. And when I was walking back, that little schnauzer that I just showed, lovely dog, he come over and he was licking my cut, trying to heal me, bless him. I'm telling you, we don't deserve dogs.
Really don't.
But I'm absolutely buzzing to have some food at this taverna again. You're going to go for a pork to the black again, Kit?
I am. It's my go-to in Greece.
Can't go wrong, can you?
Really can't.
You're going to try some beef liver?
Maybe, if I'm brave enough, we'll see.
Yeah.
I think it's just the thought of it freaks me out a little bit. If I didn't know it was liver, it probably wouldn't bother me. But the fact that I know it's liver, it's going to be in my head. Mind over matter, I suppose. Let's see.
It's a lovely temperature tonight, isn't it?
Here it is.
Really nice.
I haven't got a sula for me.
Γεια σας.
If you know, you know.
Καλησπέρα. Ναι. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Ναι. Ναι. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Ευχαριστώ πάρα πολύ. Γεια σας. So this lady actually told me earlier on, I forgot my European adapter coming here, and I've been going around the different supermarkets asking, and this lady, this shop there, actually told me try this cigarette shop just up here, as everyone seems to know each other. And I tried the cigarette shop, and yeah, he had a European plug, so I don't have to keep stealing Kit's charger now. It's great, it's such a small place, everyone on the island just seems to know each other. What's going on here?
Bye.
No, here, there's got a juggling or something. Oh. Yes, καλησπέρα, τι κάνεις? Ωραία. Να είσαι καλά. Γεια σας. That was the mayor who you met earlier, Nicholas, lovely bloke. You know what this guy's doing here with his sword?
As long as he wouldn't cut me. Hey friends, we're back.
Καλησπέρα. Καλά, εσύ?
Καλά. Εσύ. Έλατε μου, μπράβο. Ναι, τες μου, ναι, δικοί μας είναι οι άνθρωποι. Δικοί μας είναι.
Ευχαριστώ. Καλά, εσύ?
Μπράβο, καλά κι εγώ.
Πάρα πολύ ωραία. Έχεις liver? Ναι. Ωραία. Ωραία. Right guys, we are back at Restaurant Paraga, where they have the best food on Kastellorizo. And there's the homemade pita bread. And Kit said, look at the presentation here, there's that tzatziki.
And it's like a tin. Obviously, it's not actually come from the tin, but...
Yeah, it's really cool. The best food on Kastellorizo, Filemu. Topito ini polikalo.
Nice warm pita bread. I really like their bread.
Yeah, the bread's amazing, isn't it?
With some cold... That's just how I make it at home. With lots of garlic.
I don't think we had the tzatziki yesterday, did we?
No.
And I must say, it's very well priced here as well. It's slightly cheaper than the other restaurants on the island that we've been to so far, so they're doing really well. It's a lovely family-run restaurant, just typical Greek hospitality. They're so lovely here. Τι κάνεις? Καλά.
Αλλά δεν έχουμε το να μας τελειώσει.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah, awesome.
I'm just doing I'm filming at the moment. So this is George, my good friend. He's a Kazzie Aussie.
Yeah.
So his grandfather was born here on Kastellorizo.
Yeah, cool, man.
Yeah, and they're a lovely family. I've been with your sons all afternoon, jumping in and out there.
100%, mate. Yeah, awesome. Really, really good.
You guys
Cool,
have
bro.
been here.
Yeah,
But you're at the best restaurant.
yeah, definitely.
Have you enjoyed the meal so far?
Yeah, it's amazing. We come here yesterday, and honestly, this is the best food on Kastellorizo.
Yeah.
Ωραίο, ωραίο.
Yeah.
Yeah, check that out.
Wow. Oh wow.
Check briefly, yeah.
Ναι.
Oh, man. You've been...
Φαίνεται νόστιμος.
Oh, you're getting prepped up for tomorrow.
For the hike, yeah.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Γεια μας φίλε, γεια μας. There's a real family atmosphere here, everyone knows each other, it's great. Well guys, there's too much going on, I'll get back to you in a minute. But this beef liver, look at this. Wow. I was, yeah. It's a... Let's try this beef liver then. I've been really looking forward to this. The lads, Nicholas and James have been telling me about it all week, so let's go. Yamas. Oh man, that's good.
Is it good?
Very good.
Does it taste like steak?
Yes, but with a different texture.
Oh,
It's a
interesting.
lot softer than steak.
Oh, okay. I've gone for the classic pork souvlaki again. It's very loud in here. Great atmosphere. Right, we're gonna dig in.
The beef liver as well comes with this lovely sauce, which I'm not sure what it is, but it tastes great. Yeah, a bit garlicky, yeah.
I just imagined it to be. The chips are even better today than the one yesterday.
Really?
Delicious.
I second that. They're very soft, aren't they?
Like crunchy on the outside, but soft on the
Fluffy in
inside.
the middle.
Yeah.
We're here a bit earlier tonight, aren't we? So, Yamas, Yamas, Coca-Cola.
Delicious.
Lovely family here at Restaurant Paraga. If you're in Kastellorizo, you need to come. Best food, best family. You can't miss it. It's just off the harbour. You go, walk down, and there's like a gap in between. And you walk through. I think there's like a tourist office. What's that over there, kid? What's that over there? A bakery. And like a tourist office, isn't it?
And a supermarket.
Yeah. So when the harbour opens out a bit, you'll see there's a gap in between the houses, in between the colourful houses, and you cut through and go left, and here you'll find Restaurant Paraga.